In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create high converting TikTok ads in 2023. It's Chappell here, your favorite digital marketer, and I help with some of the biggest brands and creators that you definitely know and love with their Facebook and TikTok ads. And I have thousands of students taking my online classes where we help scale their brand using paid ads and organic style videos, where we've taken brands from $40K to $300,000 per month with TikTok ads, or even brands like Bad Society Club who did $110,000 in a single day, all from using our viral strategies on TikTok. So definitely make sure to DM me the word mentor on Instagram if you're interested in joining our Ads Mastery one-on-one mentorship, so that way you can see similar results like our students here. And if you haven't already, definitely make sure to like and subscribe because we're releasing new videos every single Friday, so that way you can get more results with your Facebook and TikTok ads. So let's get into this video. So we're going to be using a new tool that TikTok has released on the TikTok Creative Center. You're going to go to the TikTok Creative Center, hover over Inspiration, and you're going to go to Keyword Insights. Now, you might be familiar with their Creative Insights tool or their top ads dashboard where you can see other ads on TikTok and understand the analytics behind their videos, but you might not realize what they're saying in their video, what text they're using, the descriptions, the offers that are actually generating the results. And that's what we're going to be going over, is the keywords that make your videos convert. Meaning, what do you say in a video? What's the description? What's the offer, the call to action? That's going to increase your overall results, so that way you can increase your return on ad spend for your e-commerce business or get more leads for your lead gen business. And so now that we're on the Keyword Insights tool, what you'll see here is what I'd like to call a universal ad account dashboard, where it compiles all of the keywords from different industries and puts them available with the analytics for us to understand. Now, the reason this is important is because now we can know exactly what keywords people are using in their ad, what they're saying in their ad that is driving sales. And TikTok actually shares with us the popularity of how many times this word is being used or said in a video on TikTok ads. Right now it's 7,000 for free shipping. We can see the popularity change. Is there a keyword that's doing really well or more people picking it up? Is it decreasing in popularity? This is good because we can understand the behavior of people who like free shipping or don't like free shipping. Then we can understand the click-through rate, how many clicks it's actually getting, and if people are actually moving forward. The conversion rate, meaning how many people are actually purchasing or becoming a lead. CPA, what the average cost per action, also known as the average cost per result. And then the overall cost, $1 million has been spent on this keyword. Our impressions, 136 million. How many people viewed about 6 seconds of the video, the likes, shares, comments, allowing us to know the engagements. This is really important because this gives us insights into not only who's engaging with these videos and how much engagements this has, what the click-through rates are so we can increase our overall click-through rate on our videos to drive more traffic, more sales to our site, but it also tells us what our average cost per result could be expected in our specific industry and ways that we can maximize our overall results. Now you don't have to shoot in the dark testing. You can actually go ahead and do a little bit of research, find out what keywords are important, and maybe adjust your offer on your website to reflect what you're seeing in terms of the data. Because data never lies, and we're always data-driven here. We don't use our personal opinion. We love to focus on the numbers, so that way we can maximize results and cut through the noise. So let's go ahead and look at some examples here. We have free shipping keyword, for free, 50% off, swipe left. This popularity is definitely increasing. It has a 2% click-through rate, which is really interesting, a 41% conversion rate, and an average cost per result of only $2. That's pretty crazy to think about, and there's been about 1 million people who've spent on this. This keyword is likely a very good call to action where you don't need an offer specifically. You might not necessarily have to do a free shipping or 50% off, but you could use swipe left and potentially see a much lower cost per action and a higher click-through rate, because rather than people wanting to click on a button, they're simply swiping left, which is a much easier hand gesture on their phone, believe it or not. And then the conversion rate is much higher because people likely probably feel more in control and less like it's an ad psychologically. So let's go ahead and drill down on the details so that way we can understand how to create content similar to what's working and how we can leverage this keyword in addition to that. We select details. And what's going to happen is these keyword insights are going to give us last 7 days data. It's going to give us the keyword phrase that is either used as a voice overlay, which is somebody speaking in the video, or it's going to reference that it's an ad text. which is basically the description that has been typed out on an ad. Or we have text overlay, which is essentially the text that has been added onto the video itself, which is really good to know because we can see which use cases are driving the highest click-through rate and the best cost per result. Meaning we might know that we should only use voice overlay and no text, or we should use a combination of add text and voice overlay to increase our click-through rates. This is a crazy tool if you really think about it, and TikTok is revealing a lot of data by doing this. So our first keyword phrase is swipe left to see if it can work for you too. And they provided us the video. This is averaging a 17.56 click-through rate here. Let's look at this video.
TikTok made me do it. I saw so many people getting approved for this housing grant on TikTok and they barely did anything for it. All they did was qualify for it online and they got a housing grant based on the results. I did the same and it worked. Swipe left to see if it can work for you too.
Okay, so they're referring to a housing grant. This is more for lead gen and getting leads, it looks like. And then if we go down, we can look at swipe left for the full story. So this is a story-based ad from the sound of it. Then we're gonna scroll down here and we can see other video styles in this actual breakdown for keyword insights. And we can see swipe left to see the best ones. We can continue to go down and see what keyword phrases are driving the most results and what these video styles look like. Once we find one, we can start to, test using swipe left or very similar keyword examples, voice overlays in the video, and start to design and create our ad that converts. Now let's go ahead and go back to the keyword insights. Now that we understand how to leverage this tool, we can start to drill down by industry. Let's say that we're selling cosmetics and we're in the beauty and personal care space. Our objective in this case, whether we want traffic, app installs, conversions, video views, reach, lead generation, product sales, we can select them. So we'll go ahead and select conversions. And then we could choose our specific breakdown, whether it's our selling points where we want to identify what people are saying, or the pain points around why people would do it. Maybe your product prevents hair loss. For this example, you could see videos in relation to that, or you're fixing bad breath because you offer a special type of toothpaste or mouthwash. And then we can look at the products as well if we wanted to. Lashes, wig, makeup, deodorant, fragrances. See what's popular, which is really interesting. So let's go ahead and look at products. Maybe we're a beauty brand and we have lots of different products, but we don't know necessarily which one to push. We might have a good idea of what our best seller is on our website, which is good to know, but we might not know which SKU is necessarily going to perform best on TikTok. So we can look at this and say, okay, there's lashes, popularity is decreasing, click-through rate 0.93, conversion rate 9.45, CPA $31. All right, makeup, $12 cost per action. That's much lower. Cost per conversion in this case. A lot of these are pretty high for makeup. Perfume, that's a really low cost per conversion. 1.3%, much higher click-through rate. We're definitely gonna wanna be above a 1% click-through rate. On TikTok, it's very achievable, especially even with low CPMs, that's expected. We have clients doing 2 to 4% click-through rates in a lot of cases. Conversion rate, 22%, that's pretty incredible. Now to spend about $75,000, which is enough data if it's all compiled together in this case. Really good amount of likes. It looks like the perfumes are working really well in terms of the results, conversion rate. We scroll down, cream. So if you have anything that's related to cream, you might see much better results here. Let's go ahead and click on perfumes. Looks like a very realistic cost per action compared to some of these others, where our product might cost $40 and our acquisition is $40. It's not the most realistic thing to do. All right, so here's a breakdown. Find out the truth about our popular, alluring perfumes that'll last you all day. So this is in the ad text. They make these cute little rollerball perfumes. This is a voiceover. This is a 2.37% click-through rate. Let's watch this video.
If you want a perfume that's literally gonna make people stop in their tracks, listen up, okay? I just left a coffee shop and this guy was leaning over me to grab a napkin and he was like, "What perfume are you wearing? You smell amazing." I don't think I've ever been complimented on my perfume before, so this was like a big deal for me. So I am wearing the scent Wild Musk by the company Mixology. They make these cute little rollerball perfumes. Smells so good. I'm not even wearing a lot. I just put a little bit behind my ears. If you want random strangers to compliment you on how you smell, you need to pick yourself up this perfume from Mixology.
Okay, so this is a really strong ad. It's first person point of view. It's speaking into the camera directly. It's captivating because it's talking to a very specific audience of people who are looking to potentially receive compliments in public or around their friends. And not only that, but this video has a lot of personality. It breaks down where to use the product. And people say, well, where do I put it on? Well, she just told you where she puts it. She goes over her reaction when she smells it, which is really important because people like to see those reactions. And there's not a specific offer here other than getting it as a gift or for themselves for Valentine's. That's a really good thing because they're not necessarily having to do a discount, but they're still receiving a 2.37% click-through rate or even a 3% click-through rate in this case. And if we really wanted to, what we could do is copy this ad text, open up another tab, go to top ads, paste this keyword phrase, and here's the video specifically. We found it in the top ads on TikTok. You can see the click-through rates, the conversions. We can pull in a longer time frame to get an idea of the engagements and how many people are remaining throughout the video. Now, this is really important because we can get additional insights this way, find out exactly if this is an ad that is driving a lot of conversions. It is a conversion ad. It is in the fragrance and perfumes. We can also draw conclusions from this because we can see free samples with every order. Now, this could be an ad that is getting a very low return on ad spend because they're only getting people to order a free sample. So we might want to do more due diligence by going to the website and seeing exactly what the offer is, which is why that cost per action might be really low. So you have to be wary of some things when you see these results, because you could use this exact call out, have a very similar video, create this content, and then see your cost per action at like $40, $60 and you wonder why. When in reality, this ad also has free samples. So that other video might have not called that offer out, but if they click on it, go to the website, and it's a free sample, well, if you're not capable of doing that, then it's likely not an ad we want to recreate. So this is a good way to do a lot of research to essentially identify what's working and what's not. So we can come back in here, continue to go through exactly what keywords are trending, what videos we want to look at for this breakdown. And you can do this whether you're a lead gen business, an e-commerce business, looking to create high converting ads that actually drive sales for you. So I highly recommend to definitely check out this tool. I'm gonna link it below this video so that way you can actually see the website and go there directly. And in our TikTok ads mastery course, we also go over trainings exactly like these in depth, breaking down exactly how to set up the ads after you actually do the research, how to create the content itself, how to optimize the audiences, how to scale it up and see results. And if you're looking for that one-on-one attention, we do offer that in our one-on-one ads mastery mentorship, where we not only go over your TikTok ads, but your Facebook ads and organic strategies to take your page from where you are now to hundreds of thousands of followers and see sales from that growth as well with no paid ads. So definitely make sure to click the link or DM me the word mentor at @RealChaseChappell on Instagram to check that out. Now, I know if you do the research, you put in the work, you're definitely going to be able to see the results and success will come your way. And I make these videos to reveal some of the capabilities and tools that you might not know about that are out there that are free for you to use to be able to increase the results on your Shopify store or get more leads at a lower cost per result. At the end of the day, if you can save more money, generate more sales, and open up your margins, you're definitely going to have a much better day and be able to have a lot more resources to make bigger decisions in your business that are fueled by data. And once you realize this, you can essentially manifest anything you really want and be able to scale up to numbers that you would never even imagine. And if you're watching this video and struggling with how to set up your actual TikTok ads, definitely make sure to check out this video here and it'll show you a full tutorial on how to set up your TikTok ads the right way. And if you want to generate more results like some of my students here who went from a $0 to $1 million in 6 months with us, or like Curtis who's done millions of dollars in sales and just recently had a $110,000 sales day all from one viral TikTok video, or like my student here who did nearly 10 million views on his TikTok video, definitely make sure to click the link below this video to apply to book a call with myself and team for our one-on-one ads mastery mentorship. Once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye y'all.